What is up, YouTube? I just want to address that the meme community has lost one today. Paul Vasquez, also known as the Double Rainbow Guy, has passed away, unfortunately, as of today, May 11th. And I read his story, and I encourage you to look him up. Just type in Double Rainbow Guy. Take another listen to that video, because that video was awesome. It came out in 2010, and it was a pretty cool video. It was funny. I remember it being the biggest thing ever, and there was like a couple of commercials about it too. So go ahead and revisit some of that nostalgia if you want to, and then come back to this video. But yeah, that guy, once again, Paul L. Vasquez. So yeah, look him up.
All the way. Double rainbow. Oh my God. It's a double rainbow all the way. Whoa.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? We are about to watch a video, and it's a juicy one. It is she cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. Extreme cheapskates. Yikes. So I'm actually kind of a cheapskate myself. So I always pick up like pennies off the ground. I always, you know, that's about it. That's about it. That's as cheap as it gets. And I don't buy alcohol at the bar. So that's my cheapskateness. So all right, let's get into it. Yeah. Oh shit.
I do believe that laundry detergent does run a scam on people. I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood, the measure
What the?
by using the amount that I put inside of the syringe. It weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it.
And there you have it, folks. That is fucking hardcore, okay? I don't care how metal you are. I don't care how punk you are. I don't care how badass you are. If you don't wash your clothes with your own blood, then you ain't as raw as this girl. You ain't nothing.
Gonna save this.
Oh, resourceful.
I collect lint from the dryer, first off because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup. I'm using
It's hard out here. It's hard out here for a girl, you know. She got to save her. You know what? I don't see anything wrong with this yet. This is just hardcore. This is hardcore.
Stephanie has countless money-saving tactics. By using just one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month on her electric bill.
Okay, so why? Why not? What? Yo, you gotta tell me more, okay? I know I'm stopping it at a minute in, but like, you gotta tell me more about this. What is her situation? Is she saving like money for college? Is she trying to like pay for cancer treatment? Because I mean, in that case, just sell crystal meth.
Stephanie has a good job. She works at a doctor's office. She does have a lot of money saved up. She doesn't want to spend nothing. It's just ridiculous, but I do it because I love Stephanie, and so.
In our house, we have what we call Navy shower.
This guy is the one that wears the collar, and she's the one that holds the leash.
I'm not allowed to take long showers because Stephanie wants to save water for the water bill.
I'm not allowed to. Even though I could pay the goddamn bills, I could pay for them, but instead, I'm not allowed to.
Cut the water off. lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything, because you can't come back to it.
Turn it back on, rinse the soap off my body.
And get out.
I really get to watch my full body. Like, I'm a grown-ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
Why don't you? Why don't you? Where? I can't comprehend this. I cannot comprehend this. This is...
Right now, Patrick!
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
I can still hear you.
Damn.
So let me get this straight. So this chick goes out to fucking Big Lots or something, gets a $40 baby monitor so that she can monitor her husband in the shower. What the f***? Save your money.
That my cheapskate ways are out there. But I don't really care.
I don't really care. I don't care.
Lunchtime. Come on, let's eat.
Oh my gosh, she got
I'll teach
kids.
it in due time.
She got kids. You got kids. Why you got kids and you doing this to them? Why? They're going to remember this for the rest of their life. They're going to remember. Mom won't turn on the AC. Mom won't let us take a bath.
Is it good?
Are they eating on the floor? They're eating on the floor because they can't. They ain't buying no table.
You gonna eat all your food? Yeah. Well, whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say. I am able.
Big surprise. Big surprise. If whatever you don't eat, I'm going to save it. Yeah, no shit.
The most of every food and drink that we have in this house.
Oh, come
by
on.
reusing.
Don't do that. Don't.
If it doesn't
No.
get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it
No.
doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container.
No! No! Why?
With a strict monthly food budget of $400.
Why is she wiping down those plastic utensils? Why not just get metal ones? Why? What is your problem? Like, going to the Goodwill will get you metal spoons cheaper than plastic spoons at a Walmart. It's duh.
There's no room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses, including entertaining guests.
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy about people coming over to our house.
I really begged her to have people over and, to be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means Stephanie's pockets are getting dug into, and I do not like that.
Okay, so is this guy paying the bills or not? Okay, I want to know, does this guy pay the bills? Because if this guy is going out and working and paying the bills, then why the fuck not?
You know how things go in our house.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Hey. Pulls on the shirt. Come on.
This football party is throwing my monthly budget way off course. It's not a touchdown for me.
Oh! She went with the football punt! Yes! Not a touchdown for me! That was good! White Claw.
When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat, not for what I don't eat. There's no need to pay for the vine if all I'm eating is the grapes.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, dude. She's that lady. Really just... Damn, you petty as fuck. You petty as fuck. Dude, she takes it to a whole new level.
We only need about 3 of these. My bananas, I'm not going to eat the whole of.
Oh, my God. Damn! You gotta be kidding me! Taking the peels off of the bananas!
By removing the peels.
That's right, lady. You are looking at a hot f***ing mess.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a...
Oh, God, that poor dude. That poor dude that's got to take this f***ing order. My condolences.
By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over...
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis, fresh all the time.
Okay, and so there's nothing that would expire?
Oh, no,
or
ma'am. We
about
don't,
to expire?
No, ma'am. We don't sell expired product here. No true meat market would ever do that.
I just like the interview with this guy. Just like, yo, can you deal with this bullshit real quick? And then we talk to you about that. Yeah, you just store policy. Just say no to her. It's just a thing. And then we just want to talk to you about it. And we'll cut you a check for $6,000. Sweet. All right, sign right here.
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53, ma'am.
I will take the beef fat.
You'll take the beef fat.
Dude, she's going to take that home to her family and feed that shit. See, that's bad. That's bad right there. That's bad. Making them suffer like that shit. She don't care. She don't care.
By supplementing the meat with the beef fat, Stephanie saved 75% on the ingredients for her lasagna.
Oh my God.
This is why we save the sauce.
It all comes full circle. I get it now. I totally get it. I get why you do this shit. This lady is smart. By the way, I'm just fucking kidding.
Now, to save money, I multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well or else the food will get wet.
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas of an oven.
Who else might put these dishes in here while I'm...
This chick is crazy. How much she paid for that tattoo? How much she paid for that tattoo right there? I bet you she got that for free. I bet you she got that for free. I bet they won't talk about that, but I want to. That's a story right there too. This lady is full of them, full of stories.
I'm telling you, I do it all the time. Hey, girl. Hey, Adrian.
How you doing? Having people over, I'm not very excited. I don't want to be embarrassed.
All right.
Come on! Hey. This is the second time you did that. I gotta save money for electricity. I'm sorry. I have to. I have to turn it off when it's a commercial. No, they having this.
Damn, dude, that ain't bougie, dude. That is not cool. That fucking sucks. Why would you invite him over in the first place? Why would you invite so many people? That's a lot of people. Look at that. Why are you having that many people over when you can't turn on the power in your own house?
I'm sorry. No, we having this. Not having this at all. Stephanie's very cheap. Cheapest person I've seen in a long time, I'll tell you that much. Oh, come on. Bro.
Excuse me, can I use some?
Oh, damn. They gotta make her. They staged that too. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this candle and you're gonna pass it to her. She's gonna ask you for it, and then it's gonna be implied that she has to use the candle in the bathroom because they're not allowed to turn on the light. By the way, if you're asking what I have toilet paper doing right next to my computer, it's because it's allergy season and I blow my nose a lot. I did not realize I pulled that out. Oh, like I swear.
I thought the walking around with the candle was really insane. I think we can use some light.
She read that shit off of a fucking card. She messed that up like 3 or 4 times. And then they're like, fine, let's just Here, read it. Read it right here. Okay, good. All right. Thank you. Here's your check for $6,000.
Yeah, it's good, right?
To be cooked in a dishwasher? The lasagna tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R, water.
This shit tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R, motherfucking water. Did you not hear me? Let me spell it for you. W-A-T-E-R. A-T-E-R. Water, bitch.
I get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody else. I don't care what nobody says. It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
All right. That was that hot mess. That's it. That's all. I'm signing off. That's my point. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Xris the Giant. Go ahead and look me up on TikTok. I got some TikToks. Check out some other videos. Please subscribe. Please like. And please comment below. And I'll catch you around. Wieners.